interview with Tia Belana. So, you love a cocoa?
I'm in love
With the cocoa.
I'm in love
With the cocoa. She got it for the Lolo. Okay, stop. Send me your picture now.
This is the kind of stuff that I draw. See, let me show you this one first. See that? What you looking at like that for?
Next picture. Okay. So you like shooting people?
Yeah, I love shooting people. It's fun. Can I shoot you?
No,
Why not?
because you don't have a gun.
So soon.
I came back with protection. My bodyguard.
Whoa.
I'm Richard.
Ew.
Ew. Richard. Gross.
Richard look like rabies. I'm sorry, Richard. You look like rabies.
See, that's me.
No, I don't. Nobody wants you. You look like a bowler. I'm sorry. You look like a bowler. Can we just continue?
She's Osby. Okay. Can you sing us one of your...
Yes.
Can you sing one of your songs too?
Yes. The songs that I wrote?
Yep, your new song.
Okay. No. I'm gonna give you a little piece of a song that I'm writing right now. No. Special access. Bonus feature. And shit like that.
I know.
What, you talking about me?
No. Just saying.
You ready?
Yep. She ugly. She's just so ugly. Alex, I'm coming, baby.
What the hell is that?
I'm shut up, Rolanda. Rolanda, shut up. Oh,
Oh, dang. Lay you out. Can I, like, do my song now?
yes.
See, it's not an actual song. It's a rap.
Just sing, dang. God,
I
talk
was
too
just gonna
much.
tell you I got bars. Okay.
Talk
Ready?
too much. Hurry up, go now, fast.
I'm a real nigga, I don't fuck with y'all. You fake bitch, no Barbie doll, you suck it. I ride it, I shine, hope I blind it. These other niggas can't catch up. I mess it up like ketchup. No french fries, no orders. I kill you bitches, murder. I slay you just like Jason. Better run home, I'm chasing. Go hospital, no reason. I fuck you with no teeth. Fuck in the heart, you dead bitch. My heart goes is frozen. You touch it, you frozen. Our heart breaks is broken. That's a little piece of what I'm writing right now.
Okay. Ratchet. Okay.
I know you did not just call me Ratchet.
Okay, next song. Look at your face. Oop.
You know what?
You Ratchet!
I'm
He
done with
told
this
you.
interview.
Hey, God, get her. What the? Sit down. Stay down. Okay. That's safe.
Oh, for the pose automatic on all y'all. Don't think I'm playing with y'all. Don't think I'm playing with y'all. I ain't playing with y'all. I'm out.
Hey.